Okay, folks, example number 4. Now, of course, they're going to make this harder for us because they picked A and B as the variable. So I'm hoping you guys will bear with me. Let's just change the variable that they used. Can we write 5x squared minus xy minus 22y squared? Same problem, I just changed the letters that they used for the variables, okay? Because I don't want us to get confused when we come over here and say A, B, and C, because these are the coefficients in front of the terms, okay? Remember, A is whatever comes in front of the x squared, or the earlier alphabetical quadratic. So we're going to get 5. B is the number in front of xy, so that's going to be -1. And then C is going to be -22. Okay? Now, we want to find out what are the two factors that multiply to give us that. We are going to always write the quadratic formula first because it helps us memorize it. Okay? So please do not skip this part. Don't be lazy. All right? Now we're going to write parentheses that we can fill in. All right? B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. Excellent. Now let's plug in. B is -1, -1. A is 5 and 5. C is -22. Okay? Now let's begin simplifying. This first, the B out front here turns into 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus, because it's going to be negative times negative. All right, so let's see what that is. Man, 20 times 22 is going to be 440. Oh, teachers. All over 10. Okay, and let's keep simplifying. Now I'm going to get 1 plus or minus the square root of 441 over 10. Guys, I'm guessing that that's going to be 21, but let's see. So, the square root, I'm using my calculator, and you are too, 441 is equal to 21. Awesome. 1 plus 21 over 10. Remember, that's when we split it, when we take the square root. 1 minus 21 over 10. Those are our two answers that are going to give us the factors. Okay? So this one turns into 22 over 10. This one turns into -20 over 10. Oh, nice. This is going to come out easy. All right, so let's reduce. 2 goes into both of these. That's going to give us 11 over 5. And then the second one's going to just give us -2. Well, the easiest one to simplify is that. So if x equals -2, add 2 to both sides, and I'm going to get x plus 2 equals 0. That is one of our factors. So I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to write x plus 2. I don't need to use the other factor, the other answer to find the factor. I can just say, okay, x times what gives me 5x squared? Well, x times 5x. And positive 2 times what gives me -22? -11. But don't forget, we need the y back here to give us this y squared. Now, if we had done it with the A and B, the answer would be, and I'll write that one in green just so we can see it. With the A and B, it would be A plus 2B times times 5A minus 11B. Okay? That would give us that. All right? But we worked with X and Y because I didn't want you guys to confuse it with these A, B's, and C's. All right? Great job, guys. Let's see what else we got to do. Is there anything else we need to work on? Nope. That's it. You ready for your homework? Great job, guys, and I will see you at the next section.